Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. I know what you're thinking, oh my god, please not another SnapPad YouTube video, but this one actually is a little bit different, I promise, and more specifically it's for Class C RV owners with a Bigfoot hydraulic jack system. Now what you may not know is if you get the Bigfoot system ordered as an option through your RV manufacturer, they use a different size landing pad than if you were to purchase a Bigfoot system directly through Bigfoot. The RV manufacturers, most of them, Forest River definitely, uses a 7-inch square jack pad. And finally SnapPad has made a 7-inch square SnapPad. So we're going to install them and we're going to see how well they fit this system. Now I wanted to clean up the pads and paint them before I install these because maintenance is going to be a little bit more difficult when these are on. And actually on the SnapPad website they recommended using Flex Seal. Now I've never used this product. Everybody's probably heard of it. You see the commercials on TV all the time. But it's basically a rubberized coating, and I'm willing to give it a try and see how well it works. It says it needs 24 to 48 hours to cure, so I'll clean the pads, I'll apply this, I'll let it sit for a day or two, and then I can try putting these pads on. And they were actually pretty reasonable. I paid $149 for a set of 4, and that included shipping. So fairly reasonable for a set of 4. Okay, let's go clean the pads and get the Flex Seal on. These are my jack pads. I have them lifted up a little bit. And as you can see, they're square with the corners cut off. That's 7 inches. And they're in actually remarkably good condition for 3 years old. But I'm still going to apply the Flex Seal. I cleaned them all up. And I'll apply the Flex Seal to the top and the bottom. And then we'll come back and put the snap pads on. I have the Flex Seal on, and it gave it a nice rubber coating on these jack pads. I think what also would have worked well is some bed liner that you could paint on. You know, pick up bed liner. That would have given it a good coat too. But now I'm going to put the jack pads underneath here. Line these up as best I can, and we'll slowly let it down and see where we are. That snapped right in. If you can see, all 4 straight edges are snapped in. 1 down, 3 to go. And there we go. 4 jacks. That was actually really easy. Everyone went in perfectly, and I didn't have to use any shims or anything to prop it up to get them in. They all snapped in real easy. So that's it, all installed. It literally took less than 5 minutes per snap pad to install. And that doesn't include the time I spent cleaning the jack pads up and coating them with Flex Seal, which I highly recommend you coat your jack pads with something prior to putting the snap pads on. I was joking earlier about how many videos are on YouTube about snap pads, but that is just a testament of how many RVers find this to be a great product. I'm going to do a complete article on my website, rvhabit.com. Be sure to check it out. I've also reached out to SnapPad, and they were generous enough to give me a coupon code for anybody watching this video. I will list it down in the description below. You'll get $10 off any purchase. And again, they have like 24 different sizes right now for a wide array of rigs, and they're always adding products, so be sure to check out their website. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Here, baby, blah, blah. Yeah, I was every jeez, just Forest River. You gotta be kidding me.